second video by Bug Bounty DM. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the business logic flaw which was found at the time of bug bounty hunting on Curve app. So this video in this program basically rewards you with 15 to $1,800 for medium severity and $600 for low severity, etc., etc. Okay, so yeah, so before going to to the actual topic of a video POC of business logic flaw, so I just wanted to give you some bug bounty tips. So whenever you target any application in HackerOne or Buckroad or any bug bounty hunting platforms, so first thoroughly go through the complete application functionalities in and out, like hidden functionalities, available functionalities, etc., etc. And not only that, there is one bonus tip here. So whenever let's say the target application is Curve app. Okay, so you just need to enter the documentation of that particular target application, and when you search for it, you will get API documentation or help center page or etc., etc. So you just need to read all these functionalities, what this application behaves when some particular uh, you know purchasing has happened, or you subscribe to some functionality, some payment, and then what happens after that. So you just need to read the complete documentations available which are there for the target application. So some keywords are like not only that, when you go down to the complete application footer page, so here you can see some developer pages, or help center pages, or customer support pages, etc., etc. So you just need to click on those pages, and you might see some hidden functionalities which are which you might not know at the time of browsing through the application. So you just need to if you want to completely understand the application, so you just need to go through the documentation page or help center page and read each and every functionality and try to test in those functionalities, because most of the security researchers miss out on testing those kind of functionalities. So you might find some out of the box vulnerabilities out there, and you can get some bounties out there. So yeah, let's get into the video POC now. So in Curve app, so we basically I've gone through the complete application functionalities and found that one of the functionality called curve cache. Okay, so here sorry here basically we can add some retailers over here, only 3 retailers that can be added. Okay, so and when you add some retailers, right, so when you purchase the products from the added retailer, so you'll get 1% cashback using Curve cache. Okay, so that is only valid, like adding of retailers only valid for 90 days. Okay, you just need to use those added retailers cashback offers, and you can basically get 1% cashback when you purchase from the products. Okay, so here I've gone through the application, and when I click on see retailers, I get this API endpoint, and I have intercepted the request of this response of this particular request, and I see that I've already added 3 merchants in this particular retailers functionality. So here are the merchants JSON parameters, so which are there. So I got to know that okay, these are the merchants which I have added in the Curve app. So what I have done is like I have as you can see, these 3 retailers have been added, and which are valid only for 90 days. Okay, so how I thought that why can't I bypass this and add more retailers, like instead of these three retailers, after these 3 retailers I can add more, like another 3 retailers. So why can't I do like that? So I thought I've again intercepted the request by clicking on see retailers again. So I'll be getting a get request, and I've intercepted a response. And now in the JSON in the request body, I have changed the merchants to null, which means that server thinks that there are no merchants added in this particular account. Okay, so as you can see over here, I've modified the response body and forward the response to the I've forward to the server, and I'll again, this API get endpoint will get active endpoint will get when which is used to add more retailers again. So now I can add more retailers, as you can see in the application. uh, the application, you can see you'll get now options to add more retailers. Like you'll get a checkbox over here, so you can see over here I can add more three retailers again. So instead of, after using that 3 retailers 1% cashback thing, I can bypass that for a particular functionality, and again I can add modify the response, and again I can add more 3 retailers again, and again I can get cashbacks from these retailers as well. So yeah. So I've selected 3 retailers again, 3 merchants again. So, and so I clicked on submit, and these three retailers have been successfully added in the account. So now again I can use these 3 retailers and purchase products from these merchants and get 1% cashback to the my Curve Cash app. Okay, so this is a functionality. This is the vulnerability which I found in Curve app. So basically, they for this finding, they have rewarded me around with 1,000 US dollars, and with a severity with medium. Okay, yeah. I hope you have understood something today in this video. Like the best tip here is, like you need to go through the documentation or help center page of the target application, and understand the functionalities in and out, and then try to test again for various attack vectors. Yeah, hope you have enjoyed the video. So yeah, thank you. Make sure to subscribe and like and share. Thank you so much.